The Arts and Humanities database is a collection of sources covering art, architecture, design, and many other humanities, such as literature and music. I have already located the Arts and Humanities database from the library search page. If you need help with this, please contact the ICC library. To use this resource, start by typing your search in the search box. As you can see, there are many results to this search. At this point, the best way to proceed is to limit the results. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. Let's limit this search to full text and scholarly articles. Scholarly articles are written by experts in their fields. You can also limit to articles from a range of dates. Another search hint in this database is to use quote marks around a phrase, in this case, the name of the artist. Let's select the first title on the list. Note the three limiters on the left. The first is for the article's full text in web page format. This tab for full text PDF brings the article up in PDF form. Try to find a PDF format if you can. This would allow you to cite page numbers for this article. The Abstract Details tab provides the information to cite this article, including the permalink, in this case called document URL, which is needed to cite this article correctly. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the library via the yellow chat button on the library's homepage. Thank you for using the ICC library.